everybody. I have something fun to share with you today. I saw a Facebook ad today and it got the wheels turning, and I thought this is a perfect way to show you how you will always have something that you can offer your ideal clients and how you will always know what to market and what to talk about. Does that sound like an easy peasy system? Follow along and let me show you. It all starts with building your house, your marketing house. So let me share my screen here and I will show you a cute little example of how we do that. So I'm inside of Canva here, and what I'm saying is you need to build a 3-sided house, and from there you will always know what to talk about, what to offer, how to figure out what your people are struggling with, and build your business off of that. Okay, it's that easy. So what do I mean by building your house? What you need to do is decide who you're helping, but specifically, how do you help them? Okay. And if you've been in the online space for a while, it's probably nothing new, but because you are a super genius and you can do all of these different things, you probably feel overwhelmed at times. So how do you just break this down into simple steps so you know what to offer and how to talk about it? So the ad that I saw was about kitty poo, believe it or not. Yes, the kitty poo. What do you do? How do you stay on top of it? If you're a cat owner, then I'm sure you can relate to this. If you're not a cat owner, a pet owner, then I still think you can imagine what we're talking about. So what's the number one issue, or maybe number two issue that cat owners have? They struggle with the kitty litter, right? And what are the problems connected with the kitty litter? Let me just get my little pen out here so that I can draw. The biggest thing is it's stinky, right? That litter box is stinky. Who wants, and then there's arguments because nobody wants to clean it out, all of that kind of stuff. The other thing is the kitty litter is usually heavy. So you have to go to the store, lug it home, maybe lug it down into the basement, all of that kind of stuff. And then, you probably forget, you haven't been down to the basement for a couple of days and then you realize, oh man, I need to clean the kitty box. And guess what? There's no new kitty litter. And you've tried some of the different disposable problems, and you buy disposable things, they fall apart. You've got this big pile of yuck. You don't know what to do with it. And it's just messy. Okay. So coming back up here, when we are designing our house, what I want you to do is to come up with 10 or 20 different problems, pain in the neck issues that your ideal people have. And I like to use that bleeding neck issue because if it's not painful enough, are they going to follow up with it? Now, you've probably seen those commercials with the kitchen garbage, and you take it out and then it breaks because the plastic is too thin. So if that's ever happened to you and you spent an hour cleaning up afterwards, all of a sudden that becomes a bleeding neck problem. You don't want to go through that again. So who are your ideal people and what are those bleeding neck problems? Come up with a list of 10 or 20, okay? And then after you do that, what I want you to do is come up with the solutions. And, newsflash, the solution is usually just the opposite of the problem, okay? So we have our problem here and we have our solution over here. The kitty litter box is always smelly, stinky. You hate dealing with it. The perfect solution would be, how can I have an odor-free one? Who wants to lug that 50-pound bag of kitty litter downstairs? Well, wouldn't it be lovely if it was delivered to the door and you didn't have to lug out that heavy box all the time? Okay. You forget. Well, guess what? If you were on some kind of a subscription plan, you would have regular delivery. You would never forget again. So we could go on and on down the list. Again, we're looking at those problems. And then what are the solutions? Again, solution, just the opposite of the problem. Then once you've done that, here's where the secret comes in. You take the top 3 problem, not all of them, but the top 3 problems that people struggle with that you can help. Okay. And you just start designing your house. Now, this is for a renewable product, every month. But if you're selling coaching, if you're selling digital assets, again, what are the 3 main problems that people struggle with? And then how can you provide a solution? And if it's a coaching solution, then the 3 little mini steps to that one side of the solution, or 2. Okay. Is that making sense? So in this example, the three problems you're picking out is it's smelly, it's heavy to lug the stuff around, and you always forget. And then again, you just highlight, well, what's the solution? An odor-free solution. So your kitty box always smells fresh and clean. No more lugging around that heavy box because every month it's delivered to your door and you never have to forget because you have regular delivery. So this is the house. Remember, I said we're building our house for our program. This is the house we will be using over and over again. And the beautiful thing is we can use just one little snippet here and use that as a marketing product. Okay, so we can create our social media posts. We could create our videos. We could create the lead magnets, all of that kind of stuff based on a tiny little mini transformation based on one side of the house. So what's the solution for this particular one that I was talking about? It's called the Kitty Poo Club. What a fabulous name, because you know exactly what this product is all about. It has something to do with dealing with the kitty poo, and club is giving you an insight that, oh, it must be some kind of renewable thing. I don't have a cat anymore, but if you want to see some great marketing, I'm not affiliated with this at all, but I just thought they did a great job on the ad. Look them up. And you can see how they took some of those main problems that people are struggling with, and they're giving you a solution to it. So who would not want that? And the other thing that they did, a beautiful thing, is they set this up so that it is renewable. Because if you can create some renewable income, in other words, every single month, people that are in the Kitty Poo Club, guess what? And especially once they're used to it, they are signed up for monthly delivery, monthly charge, and there you have it. All right, let me come back here and talk to you face to face for a minute. So as a quick recap, what I want you to do is to start building your house, and we don't have to fill all the rooms and have a mansion. Well, a simple little house, three-sided. I want you to take about 10 minutes, do some research. What are the top 10 problems that your people are struggling with? Okay, that you can solve, and then come up with the top 10 solutions to those problems, and then build your house. Pick the top 3 that you can help people with. Come up with a snazzy little name, and if there's any way that you can make it recurring, you're golden. All right. And then that is your one-page marketing plan, your one-page selling system. You know exactly what to talk about, how to market your program, and you never worry about that again. So let me know in the comments if this is making sense, if you like this. And speaking of getting help, if you need some help creating your house, your business plan, reach out to me because I offered, I call it my jumpstart session for 90 minutes. So reach out and I'll give you the details on that. And let's build your marketing house so that you can get people excited about how you help them. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, I'd love it if you hit the subscribe button so you never miss my videos. All right, take care.